Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to make a portable herb garden? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to show you how to make a portable herb garden out of an old wheelbarrow. We've got our two helpers here. Come on by. And they are going to help to paint up this old wheelbarrow. And then we're going to go ahead and put some drain holes, fill it with some dirt, do a few other things, and make a great herb garden out of it. If you haven't already, please take a second, just go to the bottom right and hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate those subscribers. That keeps the channel going. Also, any likes and comments you got, really want to hear it. So this wheelbarrow has seen better days. It's got some loose screws. The wood base is all broken. We repaired it a few times, and it's time for you to get a second life. So stay tuned and check out this video. The first step is going to be to drill some drain holes into the bottom. Now I'm using the 3/16 inch bit, but you could use a 1/4 inch or something. You just need, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 drain holes. You want to look for the lowest point and put a few there, and you can put a few more in other areas of the wheelbarrow. There we go. So the second step is going to be to start painting. We just went ahead and picked a few different colors, and we're using our topsoil bags as sort of the place to put all the paint. So that way it's less cleanup. So girls, if you want to get started, just go ahead and have some fun and start painting up our new herb garden. There we go. Oh, that's going to be cool. Good job. Keep on painting. Coming along very nicely. How's it coming along?
Good.
Good? Okay. Well, we've kept the mess to a minimum, and you could paint this with, spray paint to your own color, or you can go ahead and let the kids just have fun with it. If you're going to paint on the inside, that's okay. May not be the best for plants, but if I was going to buy a new wheelbarrow, I'd probably look at getting a plastic one, just for some of the rust and corrosion. But if you got an old steel one, that'll work just fine. It'll last for years and years. So let's just finish painting, and then we'll come and take a look at how we're doing. Thumbs up, girls. Yeah. Okay. Well, we've got our Picasso-esque paint job we got done here. That was a lot of fun. Now we're going to go ahead and add a mix of topsoil and potting soil. You can really use whatever you want. This is just some generic topsoil. And I've also got some potting mix. So this is a large wheelbarrow. And I'm probably going to use, these are 40-pound bags. Probably about 3 is my guess for this one. Let's see. Yeah, 2 would be okay. We're gonna go ahead and add a 3rd, and that should round it off very nicely. So stay tuned. We have a few plants here in our arrow garden that we started planting, so we're gonna transplant those. Cherry tomatoes, mint, thyme. We have some parsley, some basil. So we'll go ahead and take those out and transplant them. The arrow garden's worked really well. These have been growing for a couple of months now. It really works well. Are you planting the cherry tomatoes? Mm-hmm. Oh, good job. Okay, that's a lot of fun. Good work. Wow, you guys got all those plants planted. So we have parsley, dill, basil, tomatoes, thyme, a little bit of everything. Was that a fun project?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Painting.
All right. Well, say bye, girls.
Bye.
Well, that looks pretty cool. Nice finished product. Well, as always, thanks for tuning in to Mr. Greg's How To. Hope you enjoyed this quick little project. Nice little way to upcycle an old wheelbarrow and a fun activity with the kids. So, again, if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. Likes and comments are appreciated. And remember, with all these projects, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.